Hello everyone, my name's Captain Mitch with State Park Marina. I'm excited to show you our newest addition to our fleet, the Aloha Club Series slide boat. Let's go take a look. This boat is how you start family traditions. First of all, it holds 14 passengers so your whole family can be on board, plus plenty of room for gear and storage on the boat. It has a powerful 150 horsepower motor on it. That way you can tow tubes, skis, wakeboards, knee boards. If that's not what you want to do, you just want to chill out for the day, drop anchor, throw your water mat out, and enjoy the sun. At the helm, your captain's going to be equipped with all the latest technology. You're going to have navigation, you're going to have depth, you're going to have speed, and you're going to have the latest Bluetooth stereo. Let me show you the coolest thing about this boat, the upper deck with the slide. Spend the afternoon watching your kids go up and down the slide all day long, having a blast as you're sitting in your rear-facing seats in the shade, watching your kids have fun. What's better than that? Thank you for checking out our new Aloha slide boat. If you'd like to make a reservation for this boat, go to our website at stateparkmarina.com or call our ship store.